you've ever been concerned about your garden getting watered enough, maybe you're very busy, maybe you're going on holiday, this is what you're looking for. And thank you to the team for very kindly sending it out to me to try out and set up for you today. This is a really straightforward solar powered irrigation system. There's no wiring, no electrics, and it can go absolutely anywhere in your garden. And everything you need to get going is in that box. You get 10 water drippers there, which will go into the soil. You get 10 meters of water line, so you've got absolutely loads, and you do cut this down to size. Of course, there's all the instructions as well as the main unit, and also some screws if you want to pop it onto the fence or a wall. Now the usage is super simple. It has 9 presets on there, and you just rotate through them until you get the one that you want. You have 1 day, 3 day and 7 day, and within each of those days you can rotate through, picking 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes or 15 on the last 2 options. So super simple. And this has some really fantastic features as well. Aside from the 9 presets and 10 drippers, you can use it indoors too by popping this into a window. It has up to 5 days internal battery as well. So if you're going through a bit of a cloudy period, you're still going to be able to use your irrigation system. This was super easy to put together. I used my water butt as a water source, but maybe you've got a well or something different, and I was able to connect it all up and put it in my garden really quickly. I'm absolutely thrilled and also really relieved that my garden is going to get watered even when I'm forgetful. Thank you again to the team for very kindly sending it out to us.